Good morning, everyone. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Mr. Tannen, and I'm just putting this video together to say welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. I'm really looking forward to working with all of you. I know that there's uncertainty going into the school year virtually, and I just wanted to give you all my word that we'll work through all this together. We're going to have to figure out the way that this works best for all of us, and given the fact that this is even different in terms of structure and expectation from what we experienced in the spring virtually. But with that being said, I'm really looking forward to getting started, and look forward to learning with and from all of you. And I'm hopeful that we can build a community, even virtually, that allows us to grow, challenge ourselves, and experience joy. And don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. And I'm just sending you all my very best, and sending all of your families my very best. Much love. Don't hesitate to reach out.